Alright guys, facing the problem in a Trust Wallet, right says pending transaction on Trust Wallet, and you wait for such a long time, but it still says pending for transaction and you still try to do the transaction again. And it still shows you that the basic way to fix this problem is if it shows your pending transaction, just cancel the transaction and try to do the transaction again. And it should be fixed simply. But let's say you did that, it didn't work, then watch the video until the end. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix this problem. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, Tech World, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. Now let's jump into the video. Without any further ado, first step, you got to check if your internet connection is fast or not. Sometimes it's a problem with the net which causes the transaction to be pending. So make sure you have a working internet connection. Not working, make sure you have a fast internet connection, which works properly, alright. And even after having that, if it still causes the problem, then the last way to fix it is to delete a Trust Wallet, reinstall it again. After you do that, you need to re-log into your Trust Wallet again. And when you're deleting a Trust Wallet, make sure you remember the 12-word recovery phrase of your Trust Wallet. Otherwise your wallet is going to be lost. And how we guys can see your 12-word recovery phrase is to go on Settings, go on Wallet and click on this island icon right beside your main wallet and click on Show Secret Phrase. And then click on where it says all this tech market continue. And it's going to show you this phrase. So after you see the phrase, don't share it with anyone, alright, your wallet might get hacked. Once you see this phrase, basically what you want to do is delete a Trust Wallet and then log into your account again after installing a Trust Wallet. And once you delete a Trust Wallet, your transaction is going to be cancelled. What you need to do is undo that transaction again, and this time it should work. So that's how we guys can fix your transaction error in Trust Wallet. So if you guys found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye everybody.